When preparing for total grid collapse, most survivalists spend thousands of dollars on metal chain link fences and razor wire. But metal rusts, wood rots, and wire can be easily cut with cheap bolt cutters. The industry sells you the illusion of security. Our ancestors knew better. They didn't build fences, they grew them. Today, we are revealing 7 unkillable perimeter plants. These are biological fortresses armed with vicious thorns and impenetrable branches that grow thicker and more dangerous every single year. They require no maintenance and repair themselves when damaged. Here is how you build a living armor around your survival homestead. Number 1. The biological razor wire, Osage Orange. Historically used by pioneers to fence in cattle before barbed wire was invented. The Osage Orange is practically indestructible. Planted in a tight row, its branches weave together into a dense, solid wall. The wood is so hard it naturally resists rot and termites, and the branches are covered in sharp, steel-like spines. Once established, it is horse-high, bull-strong, and pig-tight. Number 2. The armored giant, Honey Locust. Do not let the sweet name fool you. The wild honey locust tree is a prehistoric defensive tank. The trunk and lower branches are covered in massive, branching thorns that can grow up to 8 inches long. These spikes are so rigid and sharp they can easily puncture a tractor tire or a heavy leather boot. Planting a perimeter of wild honey locust is a clear message to stay out. Number 3. The vicious barrier, trifoliate orange. Also known as the flying dragon, this unkillable citrus relative is a nightmare for intruders. It grows into a dense, chaotic thicket of twisted green branches armed with curved 2-inch thorns. These twisted branches interlock like sharp metal fishhooks, creating a terrifying trap. It drops its leaves in the winter, exposing a terrifying skeletal barrier that even hungry deer refuse to cross. Number 4. The hidden threat, firethorn, pyracantha. If you want a security fence that looks beautiful but acts like a weapon, firethorn is your answer. It produces gorgeous white flowers and bright red berries, but hidden beneath the foliage are thousands of needle-sharp thorns. It grows rapidly and forms a thick, blinding wall that completely conceals your property while punishing anyone who tries to push through. Number 5. The aggressive thicket, Himalayan blackberry. While you must control it carefully, a strategic trench of Himalayan blackberry is an impassable natural barrier. It grows aggressively in poor soil and throws out massive, thick canes covered in heavy thorns that snag, tear, and trap intruders. As a bonus, this living barbed wire will produce hundreds of pounds of high-calorie survival food every summer. Number 6. The classic hedgerow hawthorn. For centuries, the English used hawthorn to create ancient hedgerows that divided land and kept out invaders. It is a slow-growing, incredibly dense hardwood that lives for hundreds of years. The branches are armed with sharp, wooden spikes. When properly pruned and woven together, a hawthorn hedge becomes a solid, unyielding wall that outlasts any modern metal fence. Number 7. The beautiful blade, rugosa rose. The rugosa rose is the ultimate coastal survivor. It laughs at freezing temperatures, salt spray, and drought. It grows into a dense, impenetrable bush, and every square inch of its canes is completely covered in thousands of tiny, razor-sharp prickles. It stops trespassers cold in their tracks, creating a formidable barrier, and provides highly nutritious rose hips packed with vitamin C for your winter survival cache. The master strategy, the living fortress. True security isn't bought at a hardware store, it's planted. By layering these 7 unkillable defensive plants around your property borders, you transition from a visible target to a hidden, armored fortress. Metal fences fail, but nature regenerates. What is your favorite defensive plant? Let me know in the comments below. And subscribe to the Soil Guardian for more off-grid survival secrets.